Benvenuto! Welcome to Cherry Hill Home Cooking. My name is Mark. If you want to know what's cooking in the pot behind me, check the description. Now, today we're going to make Tang Pie. All right, T-A-N-G. A lot of you see this on the supermarkets, but a lot of you out there may never have had this. This was all the rage in the 60s and 70s. And I was watching, checking out my feed, looking at all the videos I do like for hours and hours on end. And one of my favorite channels, I think his name is Max. We will put a link up there or down in the description. He does a historian cooking channel, and he talks a lot about whether it's back in Chinese 3,000 years ago or Italy 2,000 years ago, and sometimes he'll make the recipe that he's actually found, but he didn't do it with the Tang Pie. And I thought, well, wait a minute, that brought back such memories. I said, I have a recipe for that, so that's what we're going to make today. All right, very, very simple, I know. All right, so Tang is an orange flavored drink that I said was very, very popular. It went up in the with the astronauts, and it became very, very popular around the mid-60s. What year did the astronauts land? I wasn't alive. 63? I think it was. Oh, that's terrible. I remember, yeah. I think it was. I know I wasn't. No, maybe. Or if I was very, very small. But anyway, that doesn't matter. Tang was very, very popular. And this is one of the things that people used to make. All right. We need some Tang. Okay. You can get this in the powdered drink section of your supermarket. We need a graham cracker, prepared graham cracker crust, or you can make your own if you want. We need some softened cream cheese. We need a can of condensed milk, and we need some Cool Whip. And of course, like I said, we need the Tang. This is so quick and easy, so I'm just gonna stop talking and go with the recipe. Well, I'm not gonna stop talking. I'll tell you what we're doing as we go along. All right, first thing we need to do is let's throw our cream cheese. You can do this by hand. I'm gonna use the mixer. And let's get that going a bit. It is at room temperature, so it's nice and soft. Just break it up a little bit. And we'll add in our half a cup of Tang. Oh, I started to say Tang, and then I was going to say it's going to taste like a creamsicle. Tang is an orange and orangey, and it tastes like a creamsicle. We'll just get that incorporated. Get all your cream cheese turned orange. I'll do a quick little scrape down. And we'll add our sweetened condensed milk. Yeah, sweetened condensed milk is that thick, yes. I'm going to help it along. What are the things, I know one of the things I used to use sweetened condensed milk in the most would have been 7-layer bars. I'm sure it has many, many uses. All right, there, mix that up. It's delicious, I think. So we'll give that one more little scrape down. Give it another whipping, and we're going to let that go for about 2 minutes. All right, it's been 2 minutes. That is nice and soft and creamy. All right, so then we need 2 cups of Cool Whip. All right, so now this is a 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. So 8 ounce by weight, right? I would say, but not by volume, right? So I'm gonna cut this in half and put it in, and then I'm gonna see the consistency. But you want just about 2 cups for the recipe. Now, this isn't necessarily something you have to, you can fold this in. Of course, if you were using real cream and you would beat the volume up, then you would fold it in, but we're not actually looking for this, I don't think anyway, is the way I make it, to be light and fluffy. It will be, but then we'll just let that slowly incorporate till it all becomes one color. I'm sure we'll have to, that's good. Tastes just like a creamsicle. We'll give it a little stir once we get it mostly mixed. Incorporate the sides. One last scrape down. Just trying to get that all off the spatula. And we'll just let that go around for 30 seconds or so. Right? I think that's good. Now, this may not completely fill this pan because the original recipe calls for a 10-ounce pan. A 10-inch, 9-inch prepared pie, and I've got a 10-inch one, so prepared pie crust. Thank you. And we'll give this a little. Ooh, it looks delicious. So creamy. I've seen recipes where they put 4 cups of Cool Whip. This is what I had written down, so I don't know where. I don't know if this is the original recipe, which probably came from a box of Cool Whip or a bottle of Tang many, many years ago. A package, I should say. Oh, that's going to do lovely. Look at that. Now, Wade loves creamsicle. Don't you? And you like,
yeah.
We don't eat them often, but you like the, if you had a Hostess orange cupcake or the choice between an orange one or chocolate, which would you pick?
Probably pick the orange.
Yeah, he likes the orange ones. And so let's just kind of spread it out, make it look pretty. Looks good to me. All right, believe it or not, that's all we have to do other than put it in the refrigerator. All right, and that's the nice thing about these. This one is you got a cover already. All right, so we're gonna put that in the refrigerator for, I'm gonna say a minimum 2 hours. The longer the better. See you at dessert. All right, guys, we're back for dessert with our Tang Pie, straight from the 1970s. It looks good. It looks like the 1970s. Let's give it a taste.
set really nicely too.
It did set nice, yeah. Yep, tastes exactly how I remember. It tastes like a creamsicle.
Yeah.
It's creamy.
Yeah.
You taste a little bit of the cream cheese in there.
Yeah. Creamy.
Yep, it feels like I'm sitting at my mom's kitchen table having dessert. Very good.
Delicious. Yeah. Done?
I'm done. Enjoy eating.
Please like and subscribe and check out cherryhillhomecooking.com. See you on the next video.
Ciao.
Bye.
It is good.
Yeah.